While retail traders have been sleeping on Shiba Inu, whales have quietly scooped up over 89 billion SHIB. Let's break it down in today's video. Welcome to the Daily Blockhead, where I cover daily crypto news, trending coins, market shifts, and the global events shaping today's crypto. Now, let's jump right into it. I can't help but feel that retail investors are sleeping on a quiet giant, Shiba Inu. The project continues to grow behind the scenes, and unlike most meme coins, SHIB has real infrastructure backing it. While whales are quietly accumulating massive amounts of the supply, it is a clear signal that confidence is building, even if retail hasn't caught on yet. Shiba Inu could be about to rebound as key fundamental catalysts align. Data compiled by SHIB shows that the burn rate jumped by 7,200% on Friday to 7.06 million coins. Another bullish metric is that whales have continued to accumulate SHIB, a sign that they expect it to rebound. Whales now hold 89 billion SHIB, up from this month's low of 28 billion. A 7,200% spike in the burn rate is no small thing. Anytime tokens are permanently removed from circulation, it creates a long-term supply squeeze. And in crypto, supply squeezes can move markets fast once demand shows up. But the burn isn't happening in isolation. Whales have been steadily increasing their holdings, from just 28 billion SHIB at the start of the month to nearly 90 billion now. That's not retail investors buying, and when large holders step in at scale, it usually means they're positioning for a move they believe is coming. What is wild to me is that retail hasn't noticed. SHIB's community may be massive, but right now it's quiet. That disconnect between whales accumulating and retail ignoring often sets the stage for the next big swing. Let's put it in perspective. Shiba Inu has burned over 410 billion tokens in total, leaving a current circulating supply of around 584 billion. For a lot of meme coins, supply is practically infinite. They mint endlessly, dilute value, and there's no mechanism to balance that out. But SHIB has always leaned into the burn narrative. Every time tokens are incinerated, it strengthens the idea that supply is tightening over time. Is it enough to cause a massive price spike on its own? Probably not. But paired with whale accumulation, it builds a powerful story where fewer tokens are available, and bigger players control more of the supply. Fundamentals are just one part of the story. Charts can tell us just as much about what's next. The daily chart shows that SHIB prices have moved sideways over the past few weeks. It has formed a symmetrical triangle pattern whose two lines are about to converge. Therefore, there is a likelihood that SHIB will rebound in the coming days. If this happens, the coin will likely rally and hit the important resistance of quad 01477, reaching the highest point as of September 14th. Symmetrical triangles don't look flashy on a chart, but they usually mean one thing. A big move is coming. Price has been compressed for weeks, each high a little lower, and each low a little higher. And now those lines are about to collide. If SHIB breaks upward, the first major test is at 0.1477. Clearing that level would flip short-term sentiment and put SHIB back on the radar for retail traders who have been ignoring it. From there, momentum could carry further, especially with whales already holding their positions. But let's be clear, patterns can cut both ways. If the triangle breaks downward, support will be tested, and that could rattle the community. For me, what makes this setup different from usual meme coin hype is that Shiba Inu has real infrastructure in place. We're talking about Shibarium, which is their layer 2 solution, DeFi integrations, and a developer community that is still building. That's why the burn matters more here than it would for any other random meme coin. Shiba Inu isn't just reducing supply, it's reducing supply while still expanding its own use cases. Pair that with whales locking in billions of tokens, and suddenly this doesn't feel like speculation alone. It feels like conviction. Let me know what you think. Is Shiba Inu setting up for a rebound with whales buying and supply shrinking? Or is this just another fake out? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. It is one of the easiest ways to support the channel. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe for daily crypto updates. As always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.